Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we're going to discuss about tuple data type. In previous lecture, we spoke about list data type, then why this tuple data type. So, list is mutable where you can update, insert, and delete, whereas this tuple is immutable. You cannot update the values once after inserted. It is locked completely. Um, Basically, in list, you can what you can do, how you can define is like with the square braces. Right here in tuple you can define it with the round braces. Let's say I'll take the variable called bakery equal to what is our favorite ice cream, vanilla, and chocolate and strawberry. So I take three three values. So as I said, like if you want to get the value at sub index, print bakery of 1, so it should print the chocolate. So let's try to update any value and see how. Bakery of 0 equal to, let's say I want to define this vanilla in capital letter. So it will throw object doesn't support item assignment because it will not allow to update it as it is immutable. You can see, right, type error, tuple object doesn't support item assignment, which means it will not allow you to reassign the value. You can define it only once and you have to use it. In tuple you cannot update the values, or you cannot delete the values, or you cannot insert the values once after initialized. So this is all you should remember, and be cautious that tuple is we can define with the round braces.